Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to order on the Glovo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should choose from these categories displayed on the screen, or you can either type in the kind of product that you are looking for into the search bar at the top of the screen. Then you should choose from these results. And you should click on the add button down below. Now click on order. So now, as you can see, the product has been added to your shopping bag. If you scroll down, you can see that your delivery address is not set yet, so you should tap on it, and then you should confirm your address. Now add your phone number by tapping on this icon. If you scroll down, you can see that you also need to select the method of payment. You can either pay with cash or add a new card. Then if you have any promo code, you can also type it in. And if you are done with all these steps, all you have to do is clicking on the button down below, confirm order. So then the product will be delivered to you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.